The number of coronavirus cases in the U.S. topped more than 1.6 million as deaths rose to more than 97,000, a tally from Johns Hopkins University shows. President Donald Trump threatened to pull the Republican convention out of North Carolina if the governor's coronavirus restrictions impose a limit on the number of people who can be in attendance in August. WHO Director General Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesu announced that the agency is temporarily suspending its trial of hydroxycholoroquine, the drug backed by Trump to combat the deadly coronavirus, over safety concerns. Meanwhile, in Southeast Asia, Singapore slashed its growth forecast for the third time this year. This is CNBC's live blog covering all the latest news on the coronavirus outbreak. This blog will be updated throughout the day as the news breaks. The data above was compiled by Johns Hopkins University, 8:50 a.m. Singapore time. In its third official projection downgrade, Singapore now expects its economy to shrink between 4% and 7% this year. The Southeast Asian country saw growth decline by 0.7% in the first 3 months, which was less severe than expectations. Singapore imposed partial lockdown measures in April as the number of infections climbed rapidly, and as of Monday, there were close to 32,000 confirmed cases. To mitigate the economic fallout from the virus outbreak, the country announced 3 stimulus packages. Nee Lee, Saheli Roy Choudhury6 6:30 p.m. Eastern Time, Novavax said it has started clinical trial for a novel coronavirus vaccine and is targeting July to announce preliminary results. The Maryland-based biotechnology company said that Phase 2 of the trial will be conducted after successful completion of Phase 1. Administering our vaccine in the first participants of this clinical trial is a significant achievement, bringing us one step closer toward addressing the fundamental need for a vaccine in the fight against the global COVID-19 pandemic, Novavax CEO said in a statement. We look forward to sharing the clinical results in July and, if promising, quickly initiating the Phase 2 portion of the trial. The Phase 2 portion of the trial is expected to be conducted in several countries, including the EU. Riya Bhattacharjee, Reuters 5:20 p.m. Eastern Time. The World Health Organization warned that countries where coronavirus was declining could still see an immediate second peak if they didn't stick to following coronavirus restrictions. When we speak about a second wave, classically what we often mean is there will be a first wave of the disease by itself, and then it recurs months later. And that may be a reality for many countries in a number of months' time, WHO Emergencies head Dr. Mike Ryan said. But we need also to be cognizant of the fact that the disease can jump up at any time. We cannot make assumptions that just because the disease is on the way down now it is going to keep going down and we are get a number of months to get ready for a second wave.